What's up, guys? It's your boy Capo here with Abby, one and only. And tonight we're gonna pull a prank on one of my closest friends,
Joel.
We're going to his house right now, and what he doesn't know is that his girlfriend is also in on this prank, which is why it will be epic. So, guys, stay tuned, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love this. Before we move, please hit
The
that
like button.
button
And subscribe if you're new.
Okay, guys?
And Capo is going to cheat on me tonight, so I'm just going to give him this time only. This time only.
So, guys, beware. It's gonna be crazy.
Stay tuned, guys. So, guys, we're finally here. Yes. That's Dirty Joel. And this is Shoshana. Okay.
You have to get them now.
Like a colony.
Oh. Dog. Joel. Okay, lang yan. Joel. That was guys, that was planned by Team Abby, Team Capo, and Joel's girlfriend. Never seen the one.
Okay, guys. So that was from Shoshana and Capo. Team Abby. Yeah, Team Abby. Yeah.
That prank was the best prank ever. Hit that like button. I told you guys it was gonna be a prank. A really good prank. So hit that like button.